TeamUp Uganda has transformed the lives of rural youth in Mityana and Kassanda district. These young individuals have benefited immensely from coffee farming, acquiring valuable knowledge and skills that have empowered them to become successful farmers.
Gano gamu ku makungula ge tugenda osooka okungulako bwe gatyo bwe gafaanana.
However, TeamUp's efforts did not stop there. Recognizing the potential for further growth, they helped these youths to take skills to the next level by adding value to their harvests.
All of these ones. So businesses contributed capital. They contributed, should I call it a share, to start up a business. So the business, as you know, all groups are under one umbrella. That is the Kamuli Youth Empowerment Center. This is the chairman. So he's running this business on behalf of all the 24 groups within the Kamuli County. So each group has their own business. We have a business, but more, especially we're in produce most of the time. So basically, this is the Youth Empowerment Center here in Kamuli. We also deal with the produce. This is maize.
So this is Kamuli Youth Millers. They deal in grain sorting, peanuts, beans, maize, quality management training, hulling, mining, and grain purchases. The facility, as you can see it, Proscovia Namulondo. I'm the Communication and Advocacy Officer at TeamUp Uganda. Under TeamUp, we have three components: health, water, and agriculture. So under the agriculture component, we teach youth aged 15 to 30 modern farming practices because we want them to increase their farm yields. And because we have taught them how to increase their farm yields, they are now more productive. So we thought about something that can help them further to come out of poverty.
Kamuli Youth Millers, an initiative donated by TeamUp, has enabled the youth to process and package their produce, increasing their earnings.
My name is Nakato Jennifer. I do as a operations manager on the Kamuli Youth Millers. On our facility here, we do sell the maize and we process it and we sell it on the affordable price. We have the market, we have the various variety, we have the maize brand and the posh, and we usually process on the community. We mailing the maize from the community.
Tugateekako akakuta akasobola okuvaako obulungi okusinziira ku grade gyetugenda okukuba, era oteekako amazzi ago kasobola eyo n'asobola okukola ki okulwera okuvaako akakuta.
Kano akatimba akange kubanga wano wetuleeta nga mulimu ebikyafu kasooli emmere yaffe egenda okuvaayo egenda kubaamu ng'erimu ebikongoliro ate egenda kuvaayo nga si nnungi nga nkyafu. Obwo obukongoliro bujjiramu wano bw'oba tewakiriiniinze. Kati era eno okukiriininga ku kasooli waffe avaayo nga mulungi kubanga eri gundi paani tesobola kujjamu bikyafu. Okumukiriininga wali era tuba tujjamu n'amayinja kubanga ago amayinja gakubwa akatimba kaffe ne koonooneka ate nga tetwagala kintu kyaffe kwonooneka.
nga kakyali ka brown.
Kasooli bw'aba
Ogambye enamba akulimu kitundu.
Kiro mmeka? Kati kiro 10 sente mmeka ezo? Ku katale. This place is called Shoga Village, Kamuli sub-county in Kassanda district, where a number of youth, over 75 groups, demonstrated the maize milling machine here, as you saw.
According to Proscovia Namlondo, Communications Officer at TeamUp, the youth are now earning more from the maize they produce.
Practices. We teach them climate smart agricultural practices. And because of the work we've done among them over the past 7 years, they have increased their productivity. And because we want to improve their incomes, we thought about something that can enhance their earnings from agriculture. That is why we established this value additional facility, which is a maize mill. It's a modern maize mill with modern equipment that is very powerful, and the youth are able to add value to the maize they produce. In this Kassanda area, youth engage a lot, and actually the entire community, in the production of maize. They grow a lot of maize. So now the youth are able to bring their maize to this maize mill and add value to it, so that they have a finished product that they can sell to the market at a higher price, other than selling maize grain. So the youth are now earning more from the maize they produce than before.
Despite their success, the youth face a significant challenge: unreliable electricity supply. This hinders their work and affects their productivity.
In English, the new one of the electricity is poor when we compare to the other one. Their units is fake when we compare to the other one. It is too high. In business, we have losses due to their units.
Naguja Serena for NSTV.